What is it? Is it cold? Huh? Is it cold? I know it's cold. Here, try to find a bush or something. Don't follow me around. I can't help you. What are you doing? I know it's cold, Robbie. Find a spot to pee. You gotta pee. Go pee. Don't follow me. I'm not gonna be able to help you with that. Want me to get you a cup? Come on, Robbie. Go over here. Over here. Robbie, get it. Over here. Look, there's a bush right there. Go pee. Robbie. Go outside. Go pee. Go outside. Go pee, Bubby. Robbie. If you just follow me, you're not gonna be able to go. What about here, this bush? You went here yesterday. There you go. Where are you going? You gonna go pee or you just try to sneak back in? He just wants to go in. He doesn't want to go. What's wrong, Robbie? It's too cold out? Okay. Alright. Sorry, bub.